As of September 2025, the Spectrum TV app is readily available for download on LG smart TVs directly from the LG Content Store. This eliminates the need for workarounds or external streaming devices. The Spectrum TV app is supported on LG TV models from 2021 to the present, making it accessible to most modern LG smart TV users. Before beginning the installation process, ensure your LG Smart TV is connected to your home Wi-Fi network. This connection is essential for downloading and using the Spectrum TV app. Step 1. Navigate to the LG Content Store on your TV's interface. You can typically find this in your TV's main menu or home screen. Step 2. Use the search function within the LG Content Store to find the Spectrum TV app. Simply type Spectrum TV in the search field. Step 3. Select the Spectrum TV app from the search results and click the Install button to start the download and installation process. The installation process will begin automatically. This may take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Step 4. Once installed, you can launch the Spectrum TV app from the My Apps section of your LG Smart TV or directly from the LG App Store interface. The Spectrum TV app is now successfully installed on your LG Smart TV and ready to use. In the next section, we'll cover how to sign in and troubleshoot any common issues you might encounter. After successfully installing the Spectrum TV app, locate it on your LG Smart TV and launch the application. You'll immediately be presented with a sign-in screen. The sign-in process requires your Spectrum username and password. Enter these credentials carefully in the respective fields. Make sure you're using the correct login information associated with your Spectrum TV subscription. For seamless authentication, ensure your LG Smart TV is connected to your Spectrum home network. This is crucial for the app to verify your subscription and provide access to all available content. If you've recently created a new Spectrum.net username, you'll need to wait 24 to 72 hours before attempting to sign in to any TV apps. This waiting period allows the system to properly sync your new credentials. If you encounter issues launching the app, the first troubleshooting step is to restart your modem and reinstall the app. This resolves most connectivity and authentication problems. For persistent problems, verify that your LG Smart TV model is compatible with the Spectrum TV app. Generally, LG Smart TVs manufactured after 2012 with WebOS 3.0 or higher are compatible. If issues persist after checking compatibility and restarting your modem, uninstalling and reinstalling the app is the recommended final troubleshooting step. This ensures you have a fresh installation with the latest app version.